Hey everybody, I got my wedding dress on today. This is my tie-dye shirt I got married in. I got the camera sort of pointed down because I wanted to show y'all what I bought and what I do with it. So I've now bought my bags from clearbags.com, and I buy the the cat's not been petted enough today. She's having a tear. The GB4. So if you go on clearbags.com and you search for GB4, you will find these bags. You can get as little, if I understand, it's one of these packs that has, you've just got to be in the videos today, ain't you? Meow. All right, say hi. Say hi, YouTube. She's gonna be pissed at me now. 100. There's 100 in here, and I bought 3,000, but they were low, and all they had was 1,000. So they've mailed me 1,000 of them. Look at that tail. You see that tail switching? She's pissed. And the other 2,000 is coming from California, their other distributor. And so let me show you what to do with these. Is I package my soap with them, and I got these. I got 1,000. Did I get 1,000 of them for $21.80? Yeah, that's what it's saying. $21.80 for shipping and $10.87 for shipping and handling. But I believe that's what I paid for the whole thing. She said the ones from California were going to come in and they weren't going to, oh, I was going to cut them open. Look at that. They got a reseal side. I never even noticed that. I've been using these for some time now. That's the first time I noticed they had a reseal side. So what we do is, and we'll poke holes in several of these at one time. Oh, and let me just show you the bag. So we got it has the gussets on the side, GB4, and so it opens up nicely. Okay, it has a little bit of a crinkle, so that makes it sound like money, and it keeps the bag sort of stiff and fresh. Like you get a bag too flexible, it don't do well. So now I bought these at estate sales. They're like flat. They're not like thick and bulgy. They're real thin prongs. Every time I go to a estate sale and I see one, I buy it, and I've got 4 now. They're old, and I take, and during the summer it gets 3 holes. So right now we're doing 3 sets of holes. I don't know if you can see those. I can actually see them. Then you open up the bag, and I take my bar soap. This is my African black soap. It just got cured on the curing rack. And oh, I forgot to get a label. Hey Trey, hand me a label. Any label will do.
Yes.
There you go. Thank you. All right, so I take and I lay them out like playing cards on the table, and I put a card on top of each one of them, then I put a label on top of each one of them, and then when I get ready to do a Pacific bar, I put the card there, I put my label on the other side, I hold it like this. I put it in the bag. I sort of fix my gussets a little. I bring it together. And ta-da, 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 ta-da. One package of soap. Very inexpensive. As you saw, I got a whole 1,000 bags for $21.80, and it says that I paid $10.87 shipping, and I might have, but they told me that like all the shipping money that I spent was all going to the others. So maybe they divided out the shipping, I don't know, but possibly $32.67 for 1,000 bars of soap to be packaged. And then I print this little label off and cut them up. I use a very colorful business card, put it in the front, and I put the holes, I jab it 3 times for the summer so it has more ventilation, 2 times during the winter. And so, and also the customers can smell the scent right here at the label or the card. And it sits really pretty, you know. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. I'm telling you, I had a strawberry toad today. I gotta show you. I ripped open this pack, and this is this. It has 4 toads in it, and then this is the bottle for it. Because if you see the next video, I think it'll be the next video. I am freaking yawning. I didn't take my blueberry last night before I went to sleep, so I didn't sleep good last night. You know, going through all this court and everything, custody stuff. And so me and my worker that's working today, Trey, I said, "You want to be a guinea pig?" I gave him a strawberry. Do you feel charged up and ready to go, Trey?
Yep, I've got already got half these soaps done.
There you go. It makes you ready to get going and do something. And so we're doing some strawberry today. And you can get this on my website at www.essential-soaps.com. And there's always links. And I contest that the strawberry is awesome. I feel awesome now. And everything. And that's how I use these clear bags that have resealed sides that I was unaware of. And I bought 1,000. You can buy as little as I said as 1 package. There's more in there. So clearbags.com. Bye everybody.